won't believe this burger at the Garage Burger and Bar. Wow. What a cool little cozy place to go have some amazing burgers in the heart of Sukhumvit. The Garage Burger and Bar just moved to this new location. Previous place was All Seasons Place, and you must go to check it out. A streamlined menu with the most popular eats, this place makes it on the list for the best burgers joints in Bangkok. I had such a pleasure in meeting and speaking to the owners of this place, and I must say I was thrilled. Thank you to my friend Shamam who introduced me to this wonderful place and the owners. Now this root beer float had me thinking so far back into my childhood, it left me reeling with summertime memories of A&W drive-ins. Meanwhile, browsing through the menu I came across this root beer float which I haven't had since I was a kid back in Canada when A&W used to have those drive-ins restaurants. The servers would come out on roller skates to your car window, which had to be halfway rolled down so they could clip the tray to the window. Your burgers and drinks would come precariously full with your food on it. The classic and famous A&W root beers would come in the chilled frosty glass mugs, frothing at the top from a freshly poured root beer. I remember first time when we ordered this, we thought it contained beer in it, so my dad forbade us to drink it only to realize it was just the name of this classic popular soda. If you have ever had chicken tenders and think that all are pretty much the same, you are definitely mistaken. These chicken tenders had the most amazing, tasty, spicy seasoning on them that you literally did not need the dip. The chicken tenders were moist on the inside with a crunchy texture on the outside. Also got to try the chicken wings, see the pic below. The chicken wings also comes with fresh carrot sticks and dip. Caesar salad, chicken tenders, chicken wings, and beef chili con carne with fries. If you're hankering for some really delicious down-home cooking, this is the place for you. The Garage Burger and Bar has a great selection of pick and choose your items from their menu. What I really like was the beef chili con carne as it was hearty, served with fries. Furthermore, they add freshly diced onions and tomatoes separately in case you want to mix it in your chili. Of course, I mixed every last bit of onions and tomatoes plus a huge dash of tobacco in for me. How do they make these onion rings? It always makes me wonder how they get the batter so perfectly around each and every ring. These crispy onion rings were the perfect side to add with a juicy Lucy burger, or a burger for that matter. Dip the homemade sauces, the onion rings added the perfect crunch to the meal. Now, lieutenants talk about the Garage Burger and Bar's signature burger. The juicy Lucy burger, the beef patty was extra thick, cheese inside the beef patty and melted cheese on top with bacon. You can add extra crispy bacon and most definitely you want to, even though it doesn't need it, but hey, why not? My friend got a cheeseburger which he gobbled up in no time. Delish. If you are vegan, they also have a great homemade style vegan burger. I will definitely try that next. I love a good burger and this place 100% fit the bill. For larger parties, you can reserve a room UPT stairs where it is more private. If you have a sweet tooth or not, you must try this dessert. The creamy vanilla ice cream and the crunchy nutty brownie was the perfect ending to this happy meal. P.S. Also, anyone who wants to see Sahajak Boonthanaket in Bangkok Rain and other movies he has starred in, check out his IMDb profile. He is truly an amazing actor. So blessed to have met them both. Thank you to everyone who made this delicious food for us, very grateful for the staff.